Hey, 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 it's what's cooking.
What is cooking? Good looking?
It's been
Months.
a really long time. But you know why we're doing this today? Do you know what day it is?
I think because of what we have here, I do.
It's National Ice Cream Day. So we are going to make ice cream sundaes, and we don't even have an ice cream scoop. This is how sad it is, because we don't usually eat a lot of ice cream.
No.
What's your favorite flavor?
A few times a year.
If you could choose any flavor, what is your favorite
I do
flavor?
like 31 flavors, peanut butter and chocolate, and I do like, I think it's Ben and Jerry's. What's that one that's banana and
Chunky Monkey.
Chunky Monkey.
I like anything coconut, anything banana, and anything peanut butter.
I know we should have gotten bananas to put in here because bananas in a sundae are
right.
good. Yeah.
So
well.
Philip Frederickson got these cool little waffle cone thingamajiggers. We could pretend that we made them.
Waffle cone.
Could we say that we made them on like a waffle iron?
We did.
That we don't even
we
have.
did take them out of the box.
We could pretend that we made these. And again, our ice cream scooper. So what's your favorite if we're going to do vanilla or chocolate?
Both.
Oh, you want both?
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
All right. So I'm going to dig some of it. Oh, it's really hard.
Do you want me to dig it? Without an ice cream scoop, it's even tougher than normal.
Yeah, it's kind of tough. All right. So we're going to put a little vanilla. Do you say vanilla or vanilla?
Vanilla.
I think if you're from Ohio, you say vanilla. What about California?
Vanilla.
Vanilla or vanilla? I can't scoop this one.
I think it's semantics. I think it's the same thing.
All right, our very professional spoon we're going to use. Okay. Who's going to eat this?
You.
I'm not going to eat it. You're going to have to eat it. Okay?
All right.
All right, so we got some chocolate and vanilla. And you have to post, like, what's your favorite flavor? We want to know. Like
we're doing very basic traditional here.
31 flavors. Do you like caramel sauce? Do you like hot fudge sauce? Do you like chocolate sauce? Do you like peanuts? Crushed
like
pecans?
Almonds or
no,
pecans?
Almonds.
Yeah,
all
crushed,
right,
crushed you need the nuts are good.
I grew up with a Dairy Queen.
So you had Spanish peanuts.
Spanish peanuts, hot fudge, so delicious.
What's the? It's the peanut buster parfait.
Costco vanilla. Okay,
Costco
Valerie likes
vanilla.
Costco vanilla.
I don't think I've had
See,
that.
I kind of like vanilla.
I didn't know Costco made ice cream.
Costco makes everything, Philip.
Huh. So is it Kirkland?
Is it? Yeah, Valerie. Is it a Kirkland brand? Like Thrifty.
Oh,
okay,
Thrifty's
that's a
is
California
good.
thing.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't grow up with Thrifty ice
I
cream.
almost got the Thrifty ice cream actually.
I'm not like a Thrifty girl because I don't.
Oh, it's
I don't
good.
know about it.
They have some of the best.
I'm definitely a Dairy Queen girl. Love the DQ, and I used to love a.
So what are we gonna do here?
Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm talking too much.
Well, it's just gonna melt. That's all.
Oh, it's super.
No, not that.
You want caramel sauce?
I want both.
Okay. Well,
you can use your finger.
I'm just going to use my other sassy spoon.
Take some of that.
National Ice Cream Day. Ooh, that's a big old thing. Blob. Okay.
Normally we heat this up, but
we're not right
because
now.
we're taking longer.
Do you want Smuckers or do you want Trader Joe's?
I'll do Smuckers.
Oh, I remember Valerie actually asked me for my top favorite things at Trader Joe's at one point. Don't forget that frozen garlic is.
We did do a show on the wine pit from Trader Joe's.
We did.
Right?
We did. Okay, so here's some Smuckers. Oh, see that. That should be like totally.
I'm right-handed, so I better come over on this side.
Ooh.
Are you gonna have?
Okay.
Are we gonna make a second
let's
one?
talk about it.
Okay.
Before we get off, our little thingamajigger. So we've got hot fudge, caramel sauce, chocolate, vanilla. People should hopefully be posting what their favorite flavors are. You have peanut butter, Chunky Monkey.
Peanut butter and chocolate and Chunky Monkey are probably my two favorites. But I like basic Thrifty, by the way, chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
Mary Beth doesn't even know this, but when I went to pick up some prescription meds from her from I think it was Rite Aid.
I'm not on
When you
prescription
needed,
meds. It sounds like I'm
No,
not.
the muscle relaxer.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Because I can't take
I-
painkillers.
It wasn't
I
quite
can't
ready,
take
so I
muscle
did
relaxer.
order a cone with their chocolate chip ice cream on it because they sell Thrifties there.
See, chewing ice cream makes my teeth hurt.
Oh, not me.
So,
All right. So
Anyway,
ready whip.
we're back in the kitchen. We haven't been in the kitchen for a really long time. I got a blister from
Back is
setting
doing
up.
better, but not perfect.
Yeah, my
yet,
back is
definitely.
doing better, but I'm actually wearing indoor shoes. I know everybody thinks it's super weird that I have to be in heels, but I have to be arched because my back is definitely not 1,000%, but 2 weeks from 2 weeks from today, 2 weeks ago from today.
Yeah, you couldn't even move.
Oh my God, it was horrible.
Yeah.
So I'm thrilled to feel as good as I feel.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
the question is, do you eat the bowl?
Do I?
They're definitely edible.
Well, I don't know. I've never had one of these.
You're kidding.
I mean, not one like
You know,
this.
actually, real ice cream places, they actually do make a real waffle.
Yeah.
And then they have a little form it goes in, so.
So I think we need to buy an ice cream scoop.
Yeah,
Right?
because we eat ice cream so much.
It's so embarrassing. Our
So,
scoop.
Anyway, okay, let's give it a shot, and then.
Mm.
Oop. Oh, look what
You
you did.
suck.
You backed away.
You suck.
Hey, that's like a necklace.
Oh my God! Look what he just did to me.
Oh, that was gonna end up on your nose.
Hang on.
Okay, I'll give it a go. Darn it.
Oh, you so suck.
Wait.
You did not get in my hair.
There's a tiny little.
Tirza,
There it
he's
is.
ruining my hair. Oh, you suck.
Don't make me do it again.
Oh, anyway, happy National Ice Cream Day. Have fun. Eat ice cream.
Yeah, it's okay. There's no
Enjoy,
calories on ice
because
cream.
there's no calories on ice cream. Okay, we're gonna have some trouble.
escalate this into really something fun.
Have fun, you guys. Oh my
Have a
God,
great
that's really
day.
good. See ya. Mm.
Oh,
Hang on.
I'm gonna eat some.
Are you?
I am.
I don't even remember how to end these things. OMG. How do we end videos?
Oh wow,
Hi guys, I don't know how to stop this.
this is good.
There used to be like an end button.